What should music sound like? Should it be loud, full, and rich? We think so. This is Turtlebox, the best outdoor speaker you're gonna find. It's waterproof. The battery will last you for days. You can pair two of them via Bluetooth for true left-right stereo. And it's loud, real loud, up to 120 decibels. Music should sound.
It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down.
Introducing Falcon, the world's first 8-inch 2-in-1 computer. It can easily turn into a full keyboard laptop or a powerful tablet within seconds. It's incredibly compact, mobile, and powerful enough for any task. It allows you to work, play, and express your creativity anywhere your day takes you. It's a complete desktop PC equipped with powerful hardware components for optimal performance, with the tablet mode enabling you to use it while on the go. Falcon is the perfect combination of productivity and mobility. Whether you use it for work, study, or play, Falcon can always meet your needs and allows you to carry less and have more fun. It has the capacity to run your day-to-day software, play games, and watch high-definition videos. Although tiny in size, Falcon is powered with an Intel Silver CPU 8GB memory, 256GB SSD storage, and FHD touchscreen. And to make things easier, we designed a fast and accurate stylus for better controlling, drawing, or note-taking. We believe it's the best solution of laptop performance and tablet portability. Our team has years of experience in laptop and tablet manufacturing, and Falcon is our latest design that is the culmination of years of effort to create the perfect portable laptop and tablet for modern mobile lifestyles. Now, with your support, we can take Falcon into mass production and share it with the world.